Guys, sorry and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but yes, we are back and we are making chicken soup. Let's go. Back, we start off with our ingredients. I have my cooked garden eggs, I have my cooked tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, red pepper and onions, and I have my protein sauce that is my chicken. This is live chicken. I mean, you don't want to prepare chicken soup with the ones we get from outside. And as usual, I have my onion mix. You already know what it entails: onion, ginger, garlic, basil, and onions, yes. And I have turkey berries. Please, those who corrected me the other time, it is turkey berries. And as usual, I'm going to wash my chicken with hot water. We just killed it, so we want to make sure there's no blood stuck up somewhere. You get it? And it was very hot, so I had to wash my hand. Yes. And so I am adding my blended onion ingredients into my chicken. I'm about to spice it up for my soup, and then as usual, my REMIE chicken spice. Yes, that is 2 chicken pieces, so I had to add an extra one because why not? The soup, it should be nice. And my MAGGI chicken as usual. My ADOBO then goes in with my salt, and you already know your favorite BADIA ambassador. My BADIA complete seasoning on the side. Charlie, guys, you have to tell BADIA people about me, because I'm really forcing for them, Yes. And then here I have my blended garden eggs. Yes, the cooked ones, I blended them. So getting right on, I add my pepper and tomatoes to the chicken to spice it up, cook with it so the pepper is able to incorporate inside the chicken. And then I rinse it off, then I leave it on the fire for a while. Then after a while, see how it looks like corn. Oh my god, oh goodness. Honey, you're salivating, Charlie. Welcome to my world. Now I add my blended garden eggs to my soup, and then I rinse it. See, the purpose of light soup actually is the water, so you want to rinse out everything. Do not let anything go to waste. Rinse it and add the water, like more water. Please, that doesn't also mean make it so watery big, else it's no longer soup, it's just water we are taking. Yes, I need some tomato paste to lighten my soup up. Right about 3 tablespoonfuls is fine. Now look at that. Live chicken has a lot of oil, so you can fetch some out if you want. And then to the main course. Whoosh. Well, there you have it. So if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, you're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Abena cooks. Let's cook.